I'm going to talk to you about the tech talk about how food affects your brain. Have you ever wondered how the food you eat affects you gray matter? Although there are no mere brain foods that can completely protect against age-related disorders such as Alzheimer's or dementia. And there are many other medical conditions that can affect the brain, what you eat and like what you don't eat that can make a difference when it comes to brain health and function. And following a healthy diet and lifestyle can provide the nutrients and conditions required for the brain to work to the best of its ability. Even a wide variety of fruit and vegetables that contain lots of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants will help nourish the brain and protect it from oxidative stress, which can potentially damage cells. Research suggests as a healthy eating pattern, in particular the Mediterranean diet, protects brain health. This means eating a diet rich in fruit, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and healthy oils and fats. Um, but how do carbohydrates affect the brain? Well, glucose forms the building blocks of carbohydrates and plays a role in the production of serotonin in the brain. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that is widely accepted to be responsible for balancing mood and anxiety. The greatest source of energy for our brain comes from carbohydrates such as whole grain, vegetable, fruit, rice, potatoes, and lactose. They are considered healthy sources of carbohydrates that are broken down by the body into glucose and then used by our brain to function. Without an adequate supply of glucose, the brain cannot function correctly. And how do probiotics affect the brain? It is widely accepted that there is two-way communication between the gastrointestinal tract and the central nervous system through biochemical signaling. This is sometimes referred to as the gut-brain axis, describing like the cognitive and emotional areas of the brain to our gut. There has recently been a lot of interest in the role of probiotics, gut and brain function. It is believed that probiotics change the processing of information in the gut and that is strongly linked to anxiety and depression. While these studies are certainly encouraging, they are limited in size and scope, and further studies are needed before we can draw any firm conclusion as to exactly how and why probiotics might affect mood.